Sweet Bitcoin app review. In this video, I'm gonna let you know if you can earn some Bitcoin playing games here on this app. Is it legit or a waste of time? Keep watching. But first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this CQ video. I will send you my #1 recommendation to make money from your home. Now let's talk about the Sweet Bitcoin app. They say that you can earn BTC, you can earn Bitcoin by playing games here. So is it legit or a scam? To be honest, this app, it is legit. It does pay Bitcoins, but we're going to talk about how much you can earn here. As you can see, this app has 1 million downloads. That is huge, guys. Okay, that is huge. 1 million people who are downloading this app, and also they play these games. They want to earn some Bitcoin. So this is a legit app. This is a legit app. This is not fake compared to other apps. It does pay, but it pays so little. Just be aware of that. It just pays so little. So I think one of the main advantages of these apps that they want you to keep playing, because when you download, that's how they make money. You know, they're gonna give you small percent of that. Maybe per month you can earn $1, $2. It depends on the amount of time that you are willing to invest in this kind of app. You know, I do not expect to make an income here, a full-time income. Do not expect to make $100, even $10 per month. You can't make it here on this kind of app. Just be aware of that. Although it is fun, you know, you can just play these kind of games, and also you're gonna get paid on BTC, or you can also earn Bitcoin. But to be honest, you know, it is fun. You know, it is fun playing these kind of games. So these are the games where these Bitcoin delicious as we play now. You will play these games. So as you can see that you can also withdraw this on your Bitcoin e-wallet. You can withdraw this on your Bitcoin e-wallet. So as you can see, this is the kind of game. It's kind of like fruit, you know, or sweets. Yeah, it's sweet. Yeah, this kind of sweet games, you know, that you can play here. You can also cash out. So what I don't like about this is that they don't tell you how much you can. What is the minimum cash out threshold that you need to have in order to cash out? Maybe it's 2 cents. I don't know, but yeah, you know, if you're someone that loves to play games, you can download the app, you know. But if that's someone that want to play this game in order to make money, you will not make money. You're not gonna get an income changing life, you know. Maybe you'll earn 1 cent per month, you know. So yeah, you know, I just want to be transparent with you guys, you know. This app says about this app, the sweetest Bitcoin candy match bubbles game that lets you earn real Bitcoin has arrived in this classic Mandy Cash app. You'll experience colorful candy treats and earn delicious Bitcoin rewards. Yeah, so you can earn Bitcoins here, but they don't talk about how much you can make, you know. But according to my own experience, I've done these kind of games in the past. When I tried to make money online, I did download these kind of games in the past, you know. I never get paid, and I was making 1 cent per month, so I decided this is not worth my time. Let's look at some of the reviews, guys, about this app. This person said this app is legit and pays out. It takes a lot of time, and there's an advertisement at every level. I played for a week and earned 252,000 blinks, but only received 14 cents in exchange, which is too low for me. Despite illegitimacy, the app owner should increase exchange rate. So you see, this person played this app for a week now, and then this person made 14 cents per week, guys, per week. I'm gonna do some numbers for you, y'all, you know, so that you can be aware how much you can make per month, you know, because this person made 14 cents per week. Like, you see. So let's do some math. Let's do some numbers here, guys. Okay, let's do some numbers so that you can have an expectation how much you can make per month. Okay, this person said made 14 cents per week. I'm just gonna do some numbers here. so that you can have an idea how much you can make per month. Let's go to online calculator. Let's calculate this. We're gonna calculate this, guys, okay? So that you can have an expectation. This person invested 7 days and then made 14 cents in 7 days. Is it worth it your time? Yes or no? But for me, it is not worth it my time, you know. Let's do some maths. We're gonna 4 times by 0 and 14 cents is equal to 56 cents per month. That's the money that you'll be making, guys, okay? We're gonna multiply it by 12 months, okay? Per year with this app, you will earn $6.72 in the 12 months, guys. I'm just being reality to you. Is it worth it to invest your time 368 days to earn $6.72 within 12 months? No, it is not worth it my time. I don't know about you guys, okay? I'm just being honest with you. I'm just being transparent here. Although it does pay, although people they get money, but they get so little, guys, okay? Just be honest with that. I'm just being transparent with you about that. So you saw that person made only 14 cents within 7 days. If we take 7 days, so if we take 4 days, 4 weeks multiplied by 14 cents dollars, it's only 56 cents. So it's not worth your time. It's not worth my time. But guys, if you want to get my number 1 recommendation to make money from home without playing these games that pay so little that you can earn up to $1,000 per sale, you can click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I'll send you my number 1 recommendation to make money from home, guys, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Good luck. Take care. Sharp, guys.